Okay, so this is the Japanese yen on the weekly chart, and as you can see, um, it's a bit clear as far as the move went up, and now is also retracing down. Actually, the Japanese yen was the first one to retrace before the euro and before the British pound, so they were a bit of the forefront of the correction. If you look on the weekly, it looks still being a correction, which could go down to the trend dragon trend line, which is about 300 pip. Most likely, it may go to the previous pivot here, which is about 200 pip. This is on the weekly chart, of course. So if we put a line here to maybe tell us what could happen. Okay, we can go into the daily chart. The daily chart is not so straightforward because as far as the configuration, it's doing a bit of a diverging triangle, which is a bit hard to trade at that point. But it is getting to this level here of the trend dragon trend line right here. So quite possible that it may meet some support there to continue back up. So on the daily chart, we still have to wait to see what's going to happen at that level here. More likely, it will find support if the trend is still correct, and then go back up. So the entry, what would be interesting to the entry is probably following the previous high here, and the objective would be that level here. So on the upside, there's not really any reversal pattern on the weekly. On the weekly, there's no reversal pattern. On the daily, not really, as far as we can see. It's just basically a diverging triangle, and we could expect it to go back up at least to this level here. So we have a play of about 200 pip, and obviously trying to break up and resume the uptrend. If it breaks down, the next level of support is going to be here. So it is possible that the currency may actually do this, come back here to go back up after that. So not a problem. I don't think that we would consider to go short or reversal of the trend until this level here is broken. I think it would be quite hard. Even if it does, we still have the weekly support here at 105.44 and the other one at 103.84. In any case, I mean, the uptrend in this currency is weakening, or at least showing some strong sign of consolidation. So in this case, we would have to wait. So the short play is still be considered being a counter trend. The Japanese yen has a tendency to range. The short play would be to look at this level here. If it breaks this level here and look at an objective at this level here to see what will happen. So the currency could do something like this, break it, come back to that level. If it does that, then confirm that this level is holding, then come down here, goes back up, come down here if he wants to break it. Most likely we may see the currency going down to this level here, bounce back and try to build up to go back up to break this level here. Okay, so you want to look at the hourly chart, and the hourly chart of course is a bit of a mess today. Not very much a lot of direction. It's very volatile in the section where it is now. So better to see how things are settling down until we get a better idea of what the market is doing. And right now, probably observe the daily chart to see how it reacts at those levels to make a decision. Then after that, can go down to the lower time frame and go from there. That's it for the